Coastal Karnataka, on the southwest coast of India, for generations has nurtured icons within hospitality and industries. Kundapura, a small town within this region where Kunda means pillar and Pura means town, is home to Gurukula Public School. Gurukula School is spread over 40 acres with 70% green cover and has made sustained efforts across solar energy, waste management, water harvesting, organic plantations, 400 types of medicinal plants, a bird sanctuary and butterfly gardens. Gurukula is a CBSE school with classes across Montessori, high school and UG school, including separate hostel facility to accommodate boys and girls. With a focus on all-round development of students from academics, equal importance is also given to activities like dance, skating, basketball. Gurukula focuses on a 360-degree holistic learning with efforts extending towards students, teachers and even parents. Gurukula Public School, nurturing global leaders for a new world.
Hi children, how are you all? Okay, I hope all are fine. Myself is Rajeshri. Today I am going to teach numbers up to 1000. I think everyone likes maths. It is your favorite subject. Yeah, no children? Okay. Now I will start numbers. What is numbers? What is numbers? Do you know children? What is numbers? Anybody can tell? Yes. See someone's date of birth 22. Or 13 or 9 or 6. These all we will call it as numbers. This all we will call it as numbers. Many numbers we will get. Yeah, that is the numbers. See, now here numbers up to 1000. Numbers up to 0 to 9 are called digits. See here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These numbers are called digits. Here 10 numbers are there. These numbers are called digits. We can make many numbers by using these digits. See here, here we are smallest number. Which is smallest number? Which is smallest number of single digit? Do you know children? Smallest number. Which is smallest number of single digit? Smallest and greatest number. Which is smallest number of single digit? Do you know children? Anyone can tell? Which is smallest number of single digit? Single digit means one digit. Single digit. See, anyone can tell? Yes. See, single digit is a 1. It's a 1. Then which is the greatest number of? It is greatest number of single digit. Anybody can tell? 6? No, it's a 9. Understood, no children? Which is smallest number of single digit? That is 1. Then which is greatest number of single digit? That is 9. See, which is smallest number of 2 digit? Do you know children which is smallest number of 2 digit? Anyone can tell? Which is smallest number of 2 digit? Anyone can tell? It is 10. Understood? No? Which is greatest number of 2 digit? Can you tell any children? Which is greatest number of 2 digit? Can you tell anyone? See, it is 99. It's a 99. Now you tell me, which is the smallest number of 3 digit? Which is the smallest number of 3 digit? Can you tell, children? See here, smallest number of single digit, it's a 1. And greatest number of single digit, that is 9. Understood now, children? Once you repeat, the smallest number of single digit is 1. Very good. The greatest number of single digit is 9. See, like that only. Smallest number of 2 digit. Smallest number of 2 digit is 10. Then greatest number of 2 digit is 99. Understood now, children? Okay. Now you tell me, which is smallest number of 3 digit? Yes, correct. It is a 100. Very good, sir. 100. Smallest number of 3 digit is 100. Very good. Now tell me, which is greatest number of 3 digit? Can you tell any, children? Can you tell anybody? Yes, correct. That is a 999. 999. Understood now? Okay. Once everyone repeat this. Every children should repeat this. Now start now. Smallest number of single digit is 1. Very good. Greatest number of single digit is 9. Then smallest number of 2 digit is 10. Greatest number of 2 digit is 99. Next, smallest number of 3 digit is 100. Greatest number of 3 digit is 999. Okay, children, this you understood now? Everyone understood this? Okay, very good. Now, so like that only we can make many numbers by using this digit. See here 10 digits are there. We can make many numbers by using this digits. This numbers means, see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are called digits. We can make many numbers by using this digits. This is important, children. You should not forget it. You should recall this again and again. Okay. Next. See, children. See here. Here. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's the 10. Now you tell me, how many ones make 10? How many ones make 110? Anyone can tell how many ones make 110? Yes, correct. How many ones make 110? See, 10 ones make 110. 10 ones make 110. 110. Okay, understood now, children? Everyone understood what I am telling? Everyone are understanding now? See, now tell me here. Here total hundreds. It is a hundreds. Understood now? It is a hundreds. Can you see, children? Can you see? It is a hundreds holes are there here. So now you tell me. See here. Here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So now you tell me how many tens. Here each row, here one row is 10 is there, so like that it will go. So now you tell me how many tens make 100. Tell me, children, how many tens make 100? Anyone can tell how many tens make? See, you can tell very easily. Here 10 row, 10 each is 10. Tell me how many tens make 100? See here. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Understood no? 10 tens make 100. 10 tens make 100. 100. Understood no children? Understood children? See here, 10 ones make 110. Like that, 10 tens make 100. 10 tens make 100. Understood no children? Once I will recall it. See, now we are learning numbers up to 1000. First standard you learned only 100 you learned. Till 100 you know, everyone knows till 100. Yeah, no? You have learned till 100 you learn. But this year in second standard you have to learn numbers up to 1000. Understood no? See, this digit is important. Here 10 digit will come. This digit, if you use this, by using this digit we can make many numbers. See here, 0, repeat it children once. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many digits are there total here? 10 digits are there. So we can make many numbers by using these 10 digits. Understood no? Like that only here, single digit, 2 digit and 3 digit. Which is smallest and which is greatest, that also you studied now. See here, which is the smallest single digit number? Yes, very good, 1. Which is greatest single digit number? Yes, very good, 9. See, which is smallest 2 digit number? 10. Which is greatest 2 digit number? 99. Very good. See, now which is smallest 3 digit number? 100. Which is greatest 3 digit number? This is a new number. This time you are learning this. This is a, see, greatest 3 digit number 999. 999. See, now counting numbers in 10, 100, tens and ones. How to write according to place value? How to write according to place value? Do you know children? Yes, already you learned only 10 and ones. Yeah, no, you learned already 10 and ones. How to write numbers in the place of tens and ones you study. See here, now I will take one number here, 25. It is 25. 2 is 2 tens, 5 is ones. See, now I will write here 10 and 1. See here. Now 25. 25. 2 means tens means 2 means tens. 5 means ones. So 2 tens, 5 ones. 2 tens, 5 ones. See, what is the place value of 2 tens? Do you know? 2 tens means 20. 2 tens means 20 plus 5 ones. Ones place with number will come. In a ones place with number will come. That place value and face value, it will not change. Same number will come. See, 5 ones. Understood now? 5 ones means same, 5. Understood? So 20 plus 5, 25. Understood now children? How to write this? See here, 25, 2 is 2 tens, 5 is ones. So 2 tens means 20. Then 5 ones means 5 only. It will not change, same number will come. Okay, now see one more example. 46. 46. See, 4 means, yes, very good. What is that 4? Is 10. 4 tens. How much? 4 tens. Very good. Now, 6. Now what? See, what is this number? 6. Where should come? Yes, very good. 6 ones. What is this? 6 ones. What it is? It is a 6 ones. Understood now, children? Can you understand? Okay, see here, it is 6 ones. Understood now? So, 4 tens means what? Now you tell me, 4 tens means what? Anybody can tell. 4, yes, very good. 4 tens means 40. 6 ones means 60? 600? No, it's wrong. 6 ones means 6 only. Understood now? Once place value will not change. It's the same number will come. Understood now everyone? Understood? Now do you have doubts? Anyone? Do you have doubts? Okay. 5 ones means 5. Okay. 6 ones means 6 only. But tens value, see, you should add, you should write 0 near the number. It is the tens. Understood now? Okay. Now one more example. See. It's the 40 plus 6, 46. Understood? Understood now, children? Okay. Let's take it 78. One more example. See, now you tell. 78. How to write 78? Can tell any children? Anyone can tell. Everyone also can tell. Can tell? Okay, very good. What is this? 78 means what? 78, very good. Yeah, 7 tens and 8 ones. 7 tens and 8 ones. 7 tens means what? Very good. 7 tens means 70. 8 ones means 8 only. Understood no? 70 plus 8. 78. See now? 89. One more example. Tell me children. Everyone should open your mouth and everyone should repeat this. Tell me what is this? 89. Very good. 8 tens. Next. Tell me next. Yes, very good. 8 tens. 9 ones. Very good. Next. How to write? Yeah, correct. 80 plus 9. 8 tens means, very good. 80. 9 ones means 9. So 80 plus 9. 89. Okay, understood now children how to write, how to counting in number, counting numbers in tens and ones according to place. So it is a 2-digit number. It is a 2-digit number. Counting numbers in tens and ones. Understood now? See now repeat it everyone. 25. 2 means tens, 5 is ones. 2 tens, 5 ones. So 46. 4 tens and 6 ones. Understood now? Next 78. 7 tens, 8 ones. Very good. Next 89. 8 tens, 9 ones. Understood everyone? Understood now? Do you have doubt? Anybody? Do you have doubt in these numbers? Do you have doubt? No. Okay, very good. See now. Next, it is a 2-digit number. Now you know how to write 2-digit number. I hope everyone understood. Okay, next, take it 3-digit number. Next, 3-digit number. How to write 3-digit number? Which place value? Now you should learn one new place value, that is a hundreds. It is a place value, it's a hundreds. 100, see. 100 and tens, here 3 digit, then ones. Hundreds, tens and ones. Here you should learn 3 digit. Already you have learned 2 digit that you know very well. So now you are learning 3 digit, that is a hundreds, tens, ones. See example here 700. 26. 7 and 2 and 6. What is the place value of 7? What is the place value of 7? Or take it last, backward to front. What is the place value of 6? Very good. 6 ones. Understood? 6 ones. What is the place value of 2? Very good. That you already learned. Know this. 2 tens. Very good. Now you see. What is the place value of 7? Very good. 700. 700. You can write like this. You can write like this. So 700. You can read easily this. See. 700. 2 tens. 6 ones. How can read 700? Means 700 should write like this. 700. 2 tens means what, children? Tell me what? Yeah, very good. 2 tens means 20. 6 ones. Yeah, correct. 6 ones means 6. Now you can read it very easily. 726. 726. Understood now? Now you see that 435. How to write this? Tell me. Yes. 5 ones. Next 3 tens. Next, children, 400. How to write this now? Very good. 5 means 5 only. 3 tens means 30. 400 means it's a 400. Understood now, children? Understood? See here 726. While writing only you can get this 726. 7 will come to 100 place. 2 it is tens. 6 is ones. So now 7 and place value is 100. Means how to write 700? 7 0 0 it's 700. Then 2 tens means 20. 2 tens means 20. 6 ones it is 6. Okay, next you see here 435 means 4. 4 is 100 place means it's 400. Then 3 tens it's 30 and 5 ones is 5. Understood? Understood now, children? Do you have doubt? Anybody? Okay. Now see one more example. 371. 371. See, 371. 1 is ones place, 7 is tens place, 3 is 100 place. See here now, 1 is ones place, the space value will not change, same number. Then 7 is tens place, means very good, 70. Then 3 is 100 place. What is that? 300. Very good. Understood now, children? How to write the number? Understood now? Like this is counting numbers in 100, tens and ones. Counting numbers in 100, tens and ones. So like this you have to write the number. If you write like this, you can read the number very easily. Okay, understood now? If you know the place value of the number, you can read it very easily. So first you have to write, you should know the number, how to write it according to place value. Now I hope everyone understood how to write number according to place value. And I hope everyone can read the number name. Yes or no, children? Yes, very good. Next, one more example take it. See, children, one more example. 200. See, 293. 3 is a ones place. 9 is 90. 9 tens. 9 is 9 tens. 2 is 100. So what is this? 200. It These are 200. 9 tens means 90. Then 3 ones means 3. So you can write number according to like this. See, 3 1, 3. 3 is ones, it is 3. And 9 tens 90. Then 2 hundreds 200. So number you can write like this. 200 means 200. 99 0 and 3, it is 3 only. See, one's place value and face value, it will not change, same number it will come. Understood? Now while writing this only you can write place value and face value, like this only it will come. Understood? No? Children, now you understood now this song? What I thought now you understood now? It's we call numbers. This all its numbers here, place value you can learn. Now you understood here how to write the place value and how to write number according to places and how to write the place value. That all you understood now. Then take it one more example. Take it now one more example. See children here. See 846. 846. How to write 846? See here. 6 is ones place, 4 is tens, 8 is hundreds. Okay, now you tell me. What is the place value of 6? 6 is ones, means very good. 6 ones. And 4 tens. 4 is 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. Very good. 800. 800 means 800. Like this you have to write. Understood now? Means 846. 846. Take it now one more example. Who didn't understand? Listen here. See 915. 915. How to write? See 5 is ones place. You should write 5 in ones place, 1 in tens and 9 in hundreds. So how to write place value here? How to write? 5 ones means 5. 1 tens means 10. 900 means 900. Understood no children? Here 9 how to read? See 900, 10 and 5. So 950. 950. 900. Place value of 9 is 900. 1 is 10. 5 is 5. Understood no? See one more example you take it now. See here one more example. This is 750. So how to write? See 750. Ones place is it is 0 and 10 place 5 and 100 place 7. So 750. Then ones place, what is it? What is it? What is the number? 0. Ones place it is 0 only. Understood no? See one more example. It's on class. One more example. See 608. See here. Once 8 is in ones, 0 it is in tens and 6 it is in 6 it is in 100 place. Understood no children? 6 is it is in 100 place, 0 it is in tens and 8 it is in ones. 8 it is in ones. Now tell me 6 is 100 place means how to write? 6 next 0 0 600. Understood no? Next 0 tens. How to write 0 tens? Do you know? See 0 comes that answer will be 0 only. That number answer will be 0. It will not change. Understood no? 8 ones. 8 ones means 8 only. Understood no? 8 ones means 8 only. Okay. Now you understood. I hope everyone understood this. Writing numbers in the places according to places 100, 10 that is 100 tens ones. That is 100 tens ones. Understood no children? Okay. Now I hope everyone understood. If you have, do you have anyone doubts? Anyone? Do you have any doubts in these numbers? How to write the numbers according to place value? If you have doubts, you can ask. Okay. Now everyone understood. Yeah, very good. Everyone understood this. Okay. Okay. Now, once you recall what I taught, now once you recall that all what is given in your textbook, once you recall it, and next class I will ask some questions about that numbers. So please read it carefully, and what I taught now here, that at least you revise 1-2 times. Okay. We will meet in next class. Thank you.